Pioneer DJ is bringing DJs and producers the most easy-to-use multi-effects unit yet. The lightweight RMX 500 takes the best features from the top flight 1000, but gains a more simplified layout and a lower price. Onboard customization and ingenious one-handed control of multiple parameters make it easier than ever to remix live or in the studio with the free plugin. Two main effects sections are designed for creating beats and processing your mix at the same time. And the real beauty and game-changing feature is the ability to skillfully finish even the most crazy effects combinations using our exclusive release effects. Starting with the right, we have the scene effects. Just like the RMX 1000, these are split into two further sections. The build-up effects add excitement to the track, whereas the breakdown effects combine a filter with another effect to strip it away and add tension. Along the top, build-up effects includes mod, echo, noise, spiral up, and reverb up. And along the bottom, there's a high-pass filter, low-pass filter, zip, spiral down, and reverb down. Overall, we've progressed the RMX technology with two new innovations. Instead of many complicated controls, we've made it more intuitive and easier to control. Select an effect and twist the knob to increase the level and depth at the same time. And now this control is also pressure sensitive. Pushing it intensifies the effect by modulating a complementary parameter. Another way to add further intensity and blend the effects into the mix is with the Echo Plus feature. This adds a short echo to the effects, and you can control the timing with the Echo Beat button on the right. The scene effects let you get as creative as you want with your music, but the crazier it gets, the more difficult it can be to finish. You can deactivate the effects and let the tail fade out, but that doesn't always give the impact you're looking for. To solve this, the RMX comes with a unique solution. Press and hold the Release Effects button, and this will silence both music and any effects. It will also add either a vinyl break, an echo, or a backspin to the music. Releasing the button brings the track back in while the effects remain switched off. You can even choose to keep the effects active. While holding the release button, press an effect. Now when you let go, that effect will still be active. Add to the excitement of the scene effects and chop up and re-edit your music with the rhythm effects section. This section includes the audio effects at the top and a drum machine at the bottom. Control both parts simultaneously with the beat timing knob in the middle. Use the audio effects to loop, chop, delay or offset your music using roll, trans, add, reverse delay and offset. Along the bottom we have the drum machine. This includes kick, snare, clap, hi-hat and cymbal. Press one of the drum buttons and that sound will begin to loop. Turn the knob to increase or decrease the timing. This is great for adding rhythmic drum sounds to your music at the touch of a button. Adjust the drum sounds level for a better fit in the mix with the instrument level controls here. Just like the scene effects, press the knob down to dramatically increase the beat timing of the rhythm effects or drum sounds. The drum machine can also be used to create a 4 or 8 beat loop. Hit overdub and then tap in the rhythm using up to 5 drum sounds. These will automatically be quantized to the BPM of the unit. Press the plus and minus buttons to adjust all sounds as a whole, or you can adjust individually. The drum sounds will play for as long as you hold the button down. And now if you stab in any of the rhythm audio effects momentarily, it alters the loop as it plays, which is recorded as part of the sequence. The drum sounds and rhythm audio effects can be muted from your loop by holding delete and then tapping the relevant drum or effect. Holding delete and pressing the drum or effect again will unmute it. You could create a loop, temporarily take out a drum, remove an effect, but then add in others, resulting in a dynamic loop that fits well with the playing track. You can exit the loop instantly by pressing the exit button, or you can hold delete and press each drum sound periodically to flow better with the track. The RMX 500 can be customized directly on the unit to choose different effects, variations, drum sounds, and timings of the sequencer and release effects. Holding down Customize Shift will illuminate all the functions that can be tweaked. Now when you press the drum sounds, it cycles through 6 different sounds on each and remembers your setting even when you power off. Do the same with the overdub and change from a 4 to 8 beat loop. Each scene effect has 2 options. whereas noise has 4 different oscillator options. Finally, use the customize function to change the length of the release effects, backspin, echo, and vinyl break. Like the club standard RMX 1000, this effector can also be used in the studio as a controller for the RMX 500 VST, AU, or RTAS plugin. An onboard sound card means producers can plug their headphones in the RMX 500 for high-quality audio as they create music or master DJ sets. The RMX 500 will add huge creative possibilities to any setup, and with a small and portable build, it's ideal for DJs on the move. Use it with your mixer on the send and returns, or connect it straight to the master output to bring professional flagship features to even low-end setups. And to really take your setup to another level, connect one RMX between every CDJ on your mixer, giving you independent effects on each channel.